Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix location restricted on FanDuel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, if you are encountering a location restricted error on FanDuel, it typically means the platform cannot verify that you are in a state where their services are allowed. So what you can do is confirm eligibility based on location, check your state. FanDuel operates in specific states for different reasons, example sportsbook, casino or DFS. Ensure you're in a state where the specific service is legal. Sportsbook states like New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Colorado and more. Daily fantasy states available in most states but not in Hawaii, Idaho, Montana, Nevada or Washington. Casino states limited to a few states like Michigan, Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Traveling restrictions: if you are near a state border, FanDuel may have trouble pinpointing your exact location. Move further into eligible state. Number 2 is enable location services. FanDuel requires location track to verify your eligibility on mobile device. iOS, go to the settings, privacy and location. Ensure location services are on. Set FanDuel's location access to always or while using the app. Number 2, on Android, go to the settings, location. Ensure location services are on. Enable high accuracy mode. On desktop or laptop, enable location sharing for your browser. Install GeoComply plugin. Number 3 is check your network, Wi-Fi or mobile data. As FanDuel requires on Wi-Fi signals for accurate location or tracking. Public Wi-Fi issues: public networks, hotels or cafes may cause restrictions, so switch to a private connection. Disable any VPNs or proxy services, and then update your device and app to the latest version that you are using. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.